welcome. Noble Transformation Hub. This is Noble, and this is Noble Transformation Hub YouTube channel for artificial intelligence and future skills. So we'll go and go for this no artificial intelligence series where we are understanding the perception in AI, what it means. In this lesson, machine perception is the ability to use input from sensors such as camera, visible spectrum, or infrared microphones, wireless signals, active lidar, sonar, radar, and tactical sensors to reduce aspects of the world. Okay. Application includes speech recognition in perception, okay, facial recognition, object recognition. Computer vision is the ability to analyze visual inputs. Computer vision is used in self-driving cars and all. Such inputs is usually ambiguous in giant 50 meter tall pedestrian far away. Many produce the small same pixels as a nearby normal sized pedestrian. Requires the AI to judge the relative likelihood and responsible of different interpretations. For example, by using the object model, the assess the 50 meter pedestrian do not exist. Okay, there are some problems, ambiguities in facial recognition and other things where it is not like it is still improving, but it is working to an extent. It is in evolutionary phase. So thank you so much. If you have not subscribed the YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the YouTube channel, and we'll go to the next section, which is motion and manipulation. Knowing no artificial intelligence series, we are going to learn it in next video. So write down in the comment section what have you learned, what you are going to like, what you are expecting more. So let's make it interactive so that you will always learn and be updated. So share this YouTube channel, share with other people this video, so who want to learn, who want to be updated, so that we are relevant in the future for these skills. And right now also there's a lot of demand in artificial intelligence, so you can connect at nobletransformation.com, and you can write in the comment sections also. Thank you so much. Let's meet in next video. We'll learn motion and manipulation. Thank you.